Today we are making a train.
Today we making a train. Train?
Yes,
Train.
a biscuit train.
Biscuit train.
Yay!
Biscuit train. Yay! Yay!
Let's
Let's get started.
The ingredients we need for biscuit train are
Marigold biscuits. Marigold biscuits. Fireless. Milk biscuits. And polo and gems.
and we need caramel. So guys, now we have to make the engine. So we need 5 marigold biscuits for that. Vedant, can you give me 5 marigold biscuits?
Okay. 5 marigold biscuits.
Okay. Now let's stick it. Now take the caramel. And it's very hot. Make sure that do it under parent supervision. Now stick this like this. Now stick this, Vedant.
Okay. Like this.
Okay. Sloka, stick it.
Thank you.
Okay, now we have 5 marigold biscuits. Now let's make the face. For eyes I am using polo rings. For mouth we need half of the polo.
Oh, that's very
pretty engine.
Wow. I know. Engine.
Now let's make the
Engine.
body of the train. Take two of the biscuits and stick together. Sloka. Now Sloka, you also stick the biscuits. Stick, Sloka.
Okay, thank you.
Vedant, you can also stick.
I can stick. I'm finished sticking. And I'm
Okay.
finished sticking.
Okay.
It's break.
Oh, this broke. Now let's make another one. Sloka.
Thank you.
Now let's make another one. Sloka, take it.
Take it up. Oh, that's good. Two. I made this too.
I made this one. What you made?
I made this.
Wow. Now let's make the body.
Let's finish.
Now we need to make the containers. Let's make the compartments. We need to dip the biscuits in the caramel and stick it like this. Do the same for all. Yeah. Be careful, it's so hot. Now let's make another one. That's the wheels.
That's the wheels. Rollers for wheels. This rollers for wheels.
Yes. Now let's get started.
Put it.
Give me.
Neha, you can touch.
We need to melt the caramel because it becomes hard. Do it very carefully, it's too hot.
And it's so hot. Be careful.
Okay,
This one.
thank you.
Take it now.
Now we finish doing this side, let's tilt it.
Here.
Thank you.
Take the polar one. Anna, take it. Anna, take it. No,
Okay.
take it. Anna, take it.
We're almost done, only one left.
Take mine. Take mine, please.
That's enough, Sloka, it's over.
Wow,
Oh,
it's
see
very
this?
nice.
See these strings.
Wow, it's very nice. We can eat too.
Wow, it's very nice.
Wow, it's very
Now
nice.
let's take the base as these marigold biscuits. Now it's time to attach the engine. Wow, the engine is ready. Now let's fill the containers with gems and wafers.
Gems and wafers and polo. Let's fill it up. One.
Put all the gems here. Put the gems here, Vedant. Now on the wafers, let's put some polos and gems. Now let's put the gems. See, Sloka and Vedant, our train is ready. We can move it. Just made it with polos and add just like attach some cotton on the top. So this is like the smoke from the steamer.